Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are jumping into the August IPSY Glam Bag, and I have a lot of thoughts, but ironically enough, this is the best bag box from IPSY of the month. I already did an icon box review, which I'll link up above. I already did a Boxycharm by IPSY box review, which I will link up above, and I feel like both of those were good, not great. This is a great glam bag, and I'm really happy with it and really excited to jump in. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload twice a week, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date and all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's IPSY Glam Bag, stay tuned. Now, like I said in my glam bag, IPSY X, icon box, whatever it's called, and my Boxycharm by IPSY, for me to decide if this is a good box, the question becomes, do you get the value out of the box, or would you be better off spending your money on a product in a store? And with both of those boxes, it was pretty on the fence. This is the first box that I think absolutely pays for itself. I am going to be honest, I don't love the bag this month. Green and pink are not a color combo that I necessarily like together. But it is a nice bag, and I do hate the tassel. That's just me, although last month we didn't get a bag. We got, like, the refreshments package, so I'm happy just to have gotten a bag back. First, this is a repeat product for me, but it was one I did really like. This is the Lottie London 4-piece eyeshadow set. I received this, and I did do a full demo with this in a previous video. I will try and figure out which video that was and link it up above. But it worked really well. This is in the shade The Rusts. It gives you nice shimmer. The mattes blend nicely. The formula is decent. And it's nice and small for travel. So that is going to be a win. Next, the product I was so excited to see in the box. This is the Benefit Fan Fest Fanning and Volumizing Mascara. This literally launched a week ago, and it is fantastic. Now, I have the full size here that I already got in PR from Benefit, and it is wonderful. I am going to just show you the wand. It is a super long curved wand. It almost has the same shape as the Roller Lash wand, but with a few more spikes, so you really do get that volume. I am not a fan of the Benefit They're Real mascara because I find that it's the volume makes it almost too clumpy, and this one takes what I like about that one and what I love about the Roller Lash and puts them together. So really excited to have a travel version of this as well, because, I mean, it's a mascara I already like, so who doesn't want more of the things you like? That being said, I also really love the fact that this came in my IPSY PR box exactly like 7 or 8 days after the mascara launched. This is not like, it's launching soon or it's 2 months old. This is a brand new item, so really excited that this was an option. Next, this is from Korres, and I actually, in my spoiler video, which I'll link up above, I have the full size of this, and I really like it. This is the the mascara was Benefit. This is the Korres Poreless Skin Cream, and when it comes to skincare, I love having things I like in travel sizes, because I don't want to, like, take my full sizes with me when I travel. I actually just got back from a trip to New York, and I packed my full-size skincare, and I hated traveling with my full-size skincare. I wish I had more travel-size things that I liked, so I'm really happy that I have this. Next time I travel, this will be in my bag, ready to go. And speaking of travel-size skincare, another one that I already know I like is the Saturday Skin Avocado Date Seed Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. Another product I'm thrilled to have in a travel size, because again, I don't like traveling with full size. I'm not going to repeat that whole spiel. Saturday Skin makes some great products, especially if you have drier skin, and my skin is not super dry, but my under eyes always need a little extra love. The product I will say from Saturday Skin that I think is 10 out of 10, the best product in their line, is still the Rub-A-Dub Facial. It is a chemical exfoliant that basically dissolves dead skin off. When I worked at Sephora, it was my #1 recommendation for anyone with dry skin who needed to exfoliate. Also works for normal and combo and oily skin, but dry skin tends to react really poorly to certain exfoliations, and it had no issues with the Saturday Skin. The eye cream is another staple in the routine. Because once you open these, they do start to expire. You have 12 months on this and 6 on this. I'm not going to open these. I also have the full sizes, so I don't need to. but I'm going to keep these in my travel drawer, and I usually just pack it with me. That way I can use it on a trip, and I don't even take it home. I use it up while I'm on the trip, and then I return back home. And the last item was the only one that was a miss for me, only because of the color. This is the Thread Beauty, available online at Target. Color It lipstick. Mine is in the shade Grace, which looks like it's going to be a mauve nude, but it is definitely like a chocolatey brown. Too dark for anything I would like. And I feel like if I open this and swatch this, there's like a 50-50 chance that it swatches sheer and I might like it. I am going to pull up and take a look quickly online to see a swatch of this. Because if it's something that's like, oh my god, this is beautiful, I'll open it and try it. Let's take a look. This does retail for $8, which means between this and the travel size mascara, you've already gotten your value out of it. Yeah, this color is very rich terracotta. Definitely too light, too dark for me. I'm going to put a swatch up on the screen of it if I haven't already, so you can see, but this is definitely just not going to be a color that works for me. All right, I know I already kind of spoiled it in the intro and said that this is a box that I think is worth it, and I absolutely do. The Benefit Travel Mascara, they usually go, I believe, for $18 or $16, $15. So this mascara alone pays for the $13 IPSY Glam Bag. I love this moisturizer, so happy that that's in there too. Big fan of the eye cream, happy that's in there as well. The palette I mentioned I already have, so like I would have been better with something else. But if this was a choice box, I could have picked something else. PR, I do not get to pick my items. The box is sent to me for free so I can review it. I'm not sponsored, but I also don't get to pick the items inside. So for me, it's this in-between of, like, I know that there are some products that I'm going to get that I'm not going to like. Like in my Boxycharm box, I got a liquid liner. I don't like liquid liners. So if I was paying for this box, I could have not picked it, or I could have, like, picked a different color. But other than that, I think this was a really good variety of products. A mascara, an eyeshadow palette, a lip, a priming moisturizer, and an eye cream. This is the closest I think I've had to having a let's put on a face of makeup in a single box in months. Like, I did not have enough in any of my other boxes to do more than like one or two products, which is why I didn't apply anything in those videos other than a lip gloss. Anyway, as always, I would love to hear what you think. Sound off with what you believe about this box, what products you liked, which ones you didn't like, maybe what you picked in your box, and sound off down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!